Let's look at some of the properties or the important properties of argument of a complex number. So the first property is that argument of the product of two complex numbers z1 and z2 is equal to argument of z1 plus argument of z2. Or in general, argument of z1 times z2 times z3 and so on up to zn is equal to argument of z1 plus argument of z2 plus argument of z3 and so on up to argument of zn. Right? So this looks like a little bit like the product rule of logarithms, because we deal with exponents when we deal with arguments. Argument of z1 by z2 is equal to argument of z1 minus argument of z2. Argument of the conjugate of a complex number is equal to minus of argument of that complex number. Argument of 1 by z bar is equal to minus of the argument of that complex number z. Argument of z by z bar is equal to 2 times of the argument of z. Argument of z to the power of n is equal to n times argument of z. If argument of z1, a complex number, is theta 1 and argument of z2, another complex number, is theta 2, then z1 into z2 bar plus z1 bar times z2 is equal to 2 times the magnitude of z1 times magnitude of z2 times cos of theta 1 minus theta 2. If the complex number z is purely imaginary, then the argument of z is equal to plus or minus pi by 2. And if z is a purely real complex number, then argument of z is 0 or pi.